Hello students. So in this video we are going to learn methods of preparation of alkyl halides. Yes, we are going to prepare RX. Okay. The first method is using alcohol. Now the symbol of alcohol is ROH. So I wrote ROH. Using HX students, so I wrote HX. So just see what is going to happen. Water will be eliminated. I have written here and we will get RX. Now let us go in the mechanism of this particular reaction, which is very easy. Okay, so we are having HX. We all know that X is electronegative atom, so it will pull the shared pair of electron more towards itself, because of which what happens, H is having positive charge and X is negative. Now this H plus is attracted towards alcohol. Okay, now can you guess what is going to happen? H plus is in need of electron, hence this particular pair of electron will be attracted towards H plus. Okay, so yes, what are we going to write in the next step? We are going to write R single bond O dot H, and now these two electrons are donated to H. Okay, it is donated to H, so we are getting here hydrogen, and oxygen has donated its lone pair to H. Okay, oxygen will acquire positive charge. Alright, now this is the intermediate which I have got. Now what is going to happen? X minus will come and it is going to attack. Now X minus is going to attack from where? X minus is going to attack from the back side. Okay, and we are going to get the final product as RX plus. So when X minus is making a bond with R, these electrons which are present in this bond will be shifted towards oxygen. So we will be getting oxygen, hydrogen, hydrogen, and yes, this lone pair of electron I mentioned over here, and electrons are shifting to oxygen here. So we are getting water and we are getting RX. Just see here, we are getting RX, yes, RX, we are getting water and we are getting water. So this is a basic simple mechanism behind formation of RX using alcohol from HX. So students, we begin with the reaction now. So we are having HX. Now HX can be HCl, it can be HBr, okay, it can be HI. Now we begin with HCl first. Now addition of HCl to the alcohol. Now we all know that alcohol can be primary alcohol, can be secondary alcohol, can be tertiary alcohol. If we change the alcohol, the conditions will also change. I will explain you one by one. Okay, primary alcohol, when I say, I'll first write OH. Okay, OH is bonded to the carbon atom which is attached only to one alkyl. So this is primary alcohol. Okay, secondary alcohol, OH is attached to carbon atom which is bonded to two carbon atoms. Okay, so I write here CH, I write here CH3 and I write here CH3, secondary. Now I write tertiary alcohol. So OH is attached to the carbon atom which is attached to three carbon atoms. So I'll write here CH3, I'll write here CH3 and CH3. Now if you notice all these three reactions, okay, there is addition of HCl, HCl, HCl to the alcohol, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. But look at the conditions. Anhydrous zinc chloride on heating with primary alcohol will give you the product. Anhydrous zinc chloride on heating with secondary alcohol will give you the product. But for the tertiary alcohol, breaking of this bond is very easy, because tertiary carbocation, do you remember? Tertiary carbocation is more stable. So it doesn't require any vigorous condition without any heating. Okay, you just add HCl to the tertiary alcohol and immediately you will get the product as follows. So I'll write product over here. We are getting here CH3. Okay, I'll write like this, CH3, CH3. What should I write? Yes, Cl plus H2O. So just see, I have written here, we are getting primary alcohol, we are getting primary alkyl halide, we are getting secondary alkyl halide, and we are getting tertiary alkyl halide. So students, in this what you have to remember is the condition of the tertiary alcohol is very simple, and hence we can conclude that tertiary alcohol will undergo this reaction faster then the secondary alcohol, then the primary alcohol, because tertiary alcohol COH bond can easily break. Why it is easily breaking? Because there are 3 bulky groups and 1 nucleophile. There is crowding around the carbon atom. So this bond will break and we will get the tertiary carbocation with the planar geometry, trigonal planar geometry, which is more stable. Alright. Now we shall move towards the next type of HX, which is HBr. So now we have alcohol. Now please remember, it can be secondary, it can be primary, it can be secondary, it can be tertiary with the HBr. Now from where we got this HBr? We got this HBr from sodium bromide plus concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay. So when it will react, we are going to get HBr plus Na2SO4. So I write here 2, I write here 2. So it is this HBr, students, which reacts with the alcohol. So I'll just write this reaction once. We are getting ROH and we are getting HBr, and what happens on heating? Okay, this is concentrated sulfuric acid. So on heating with the mixture of NaBr plus H2SO4, we are getting water as a byproduct and we are getting alkyl bromide. Okay. Now, so HBr is over. Now, let us go for HI. Now, you all must have little bit knowledge of the size of the iodine now. If you compare fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, size of iodine is more, atomic size is more. It means the bond length of HI is more. I will just write here, bond length of HI is more. So it means that HI bond can easily break, and if it easily breaks, it means immediately it can be used to get alkyl iodide. Okay, and we will be getting water. So what happens is, in case of HI, good yield of alkyl iodides may be obtained by heating the alcohols with the sodium iodide or potassium iodide. Alright, so this is about the HI. Now, how do we got HI? We need to know that we are having sodium iodide plus we are having phosphoric acid. So we get over here HI and plus sodium. We write here sodium dihydrogen phosphate, and we got HI. So this HI is used to get alkyl iodides. Now next is we are going to get alkyl halide using phosphorus halide. Now we are having 2 types of phosphorus halide. One is PCl3, okay, and we'll write here one is PCl5. Alright, we can also remember we are having PX3 or PX5. Okay, so I begin with PCl3. So we are having alcohol and phosphorus trichloride. Okay, now on heating, mild heating it is, what do we get? Do not forget one product is RX. So RCl, I will get RCl plus, yes, I am going to get over here phosphoric acid H3PO3. Now let us balance this H3PO3. How many chlorine atoms are there? 3. I will write here 3. Okay, how many are? 3. I will write here 3 and just check the reaction is balanced. 3R, 3R, 3 oxygen atom, yes, 3 oxygen atom, 3 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen, phosphorus is 1 and chlorine is 3. Okay, now I can write here the example of, this is your ethanol, isn't it? This is ethanol. जब रिएक्ट करता है फॉस्फोरस क्लोराइड के साथ माइल्ड हीटिंग पे, हमें क्या मिलता है? हमें मिलता है C2H5Cl. आपको ये लर्न करना पड़ेगा. एंड वी गेट फॉस्फोरिक एसिड. ओके, फॉस्फोरिक एसिड. ठीक है. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट. देखो मैंने नीचे लिखा हुआ है PCl5, फॉस्फोरस पेंटाक्लोराइड. On mild heating, again I'll write ROH. अच्छा, इसके प्रोडक्ट्स थोड़े से डिफरेंट है, मैं बताती हूँ क्या है. RCl तो we will get, yes, ये मिलेगा हमें. अच्छा, अभी यहाँ पे याद रखना है, इसके साथ हमें HCl मिलता है, ओके, प्लस क्योंकि Cl ज़्यादा है ना यहाँ पे, तो हमें HCl मिल रहा है. 2 Cl हो गए, अभी तीसरा 3 Cl बाकी हैं, तो प्लीज़ राइट लाइक दिस. देन phosphorus oxychloride. Okay, so this reaction is already balanced actually. So you have to remember that products, this is common, but साथ में यहाँ क्या मिल रहा है, HCl and phosphorus oxychloride. So if you want to write the reaction, हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पे let us say CH3 CH2, okay, CH2OH. ठीक है, ये मैंने क्या लिखा है, 1 2 3 ऑन अल्कोहल ग्रुप है, तो ये तो मैंने लिखा है प्रोपेनॉल. प्रोपेनॉल का मतलब ही है कि OH इज प्रेजेंट ऑन दी फर्स्ट कार्बन एटम. ओके, सो आई राइट हियर प्लस PCl5. क्या मिलेगा हमें, यस, विल बी गेटिंग CH3 CH2 CH2Cl plus HCl plus POCl3. You can pause the video and you can write the reactions along with me to understand. Okay, now so this is your phosphorus halide की मदद से we are getting what, we are getting alkyl halide. Okay, थर्ड मेथड जो है वो है यूजिंग थायोनिल क्लोराइड. भूलना नहीं है, वी आर यूजिंग अल्कोहल, एंड अल्कोहल को पहले हमने क्या किया, वी हैव एडेड HX. ओके, देन व्हाट वी हैव एडेड PX3 या PX5. ठीक है, ये सेकेंड था. थर्ड में क्या आ रहा है, थायोनिल क्लोराइड. अच्छा, ये थायोनिल क्लोराइड क्या होता है, थायोनिल क्लोराइड इज दिस SOCl2. ठीक है, नाउ see what I am going to write here, S, okay, double bond O, Cl and Cl plus किस में ऐड कर रहे हैं इसको, we are adding it to alcohol, so I'll write here ROH. Yes, do not forget what is our aim, we are going to prepare alkyl halide. Okay, now in presence of the pyridine, okay, in presence of pyridine over here, we are going to get, which is organic base, okay, we are getting RCl, so I'll write here RCl plus sulfur oxygen oxygen, sulfur dioxide gas plus, देखो तो क्या बचा है, we have got H, we have got Cl, so we are getting HCl. Okay, so let us revise quickly what we have done so far. Okay, we have prepared RX, we have got RX, we have got RX, we have got RX using, can you say in your mind, yes, along with me, first was HX, okay, second was, it is PX3 or PX5, okay, third is thionyl chloride. ठीक है, और एक अल्कोहल में ये याद रखना है. See, if the details of each chemical reaction you want to know, you will have to read your textbooks or reference books. Okay, this video I have just made with the intention to have thorough practice of the chemical equation. So let us not waste our time and move on to the next method of preparation of alkyl halides from hydrocarbons.